French vanilla ice cream recipe, the perfect dessert delight. Introduction. French vanilla ice cream is a beloved classic, known for its rich and creamy texture, as well as its delicate and exquisite flavor. In this recipe, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of making French vanilla ice cream from scratch, ensuring you achieve the perfect balance of flavors and velvety smooth consistency. Ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. 1 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 4 large egg yolks. 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. 1 vanilla bean, split lengthwise and seeds scraped. Equipment. Medium saucepan. Mixing bowls. Whisk. Fine mesh sieve. Ice cream maker. Airtight container. Step 1. Creating the custard base. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and half of the granulated sugar. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir the mixture occasionally until it reaches a simmer. While the cream mixture is heating, in a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and the remaining granulated sugar until they are well combined and slightly thickened. This step will create a smooth and creamy base for the ice cream. Slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture while whisking constantly. This process, called tempering, prevents the eggs from curdling when mixed with the hot liquid. Pour the tempered egg yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining cream mixture. Return the saucepan to the heat. Step 2. Infusing with vanilla flavor. Add the pure vanilla extract and the scraped seeds from the split vanilla bean into the saucepan with the cream and egg yolk mixture. The vanilla extract will enhance the overall flavor, while the vanilla bean seeds will add visual appeal and a burst of intense vanilla flavor. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Be careful not to let the mixture boil. Once the custard base has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. Place a fine mesh sieve over a clean bowl and pour the custard through the sieve. This will remove any lumps or bits of vanilla bean, resulting in a smooth and creamy ice cream base. Step 3. Chilling and churning. Allow the custard to cool for a few minutes, then cover the bowl with plastic wrap, ensuring that the plastic wrap is in direct contact with the surface of the custard. This prevents skin from forming on top. Refrigerate the custard until it is completely chilled. Chilling the custard for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, is recommended to allow the flavors to meld and develop. Once the custard is thoroughly chilled, it's time to churn it into ice cream. The churning process will incorporate air into the mixture, giving the ice cream its creamy and smooth texture. The churning time may vary depending on your ice cream maker, but typically it takes about 20 to 30 minutes until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. Step 4. Freezing and serving. Transfer the churned French vanilla ice cream to an airtight container, smoothing the surface with a spatula or the back of a spoon. This helps to create an even texture. Place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the ice cream before sealing the container with a lid. This additional layer helps to prevent ice crystals from forming on top of the ice cream. Freeze the French vanilla ice cream for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it is firm and scoopable. This final freezing step allows the ice cream to set and develop its rich and creamy texture fully. When ready to serve, remove the French vanilla ice cream from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Scoop into bowls or cones, and garnish with your favorite toppings or sauces if desired. Conclusion. Creating homemade French vanilla ice cream is a delightful process that results in a luxurious dessert experience. By following this recipe, you can achieve a perfectly balanced and velvety smooth ice cream that captivates your taste buds with its rich creaminess and delicate vanilla flavor. So, gather your ingredients, embrace your inner chef, and enjoy the pleasure of making and savoring this classic frozen treat. Bon appétit!